Back out in the garage today with a Valvoline Restore and Protect update that we are doing on the 2011 Grand Caravan. It has been roughly a couple months since we did the oil change on this vehicle, and in previous videos I had explained that if the oil level got down to a 1 quart low, or I made it to roughly around 5,000 miles, I would go ahead and change it. We have not had the oil consumption issue with this van that I had on the previous oil change. This will be the 4th oil change that we have done on this van with the Valvoline Restore and Protect. We've got previous videos where I cut apart the filter media and kind of highlighted the the junk or the crap that has been captured by the filter. So that brings us to today, and we are just about 50 miles shy of 5,000 miles on this most recent oil change. Now, I have not had to add any oil to this. We'll take a look at the dipstick, but at this point, it looks like we're down by maybe half a quart. So doing substantially better than what I was doing the previous oil change, which would have been in the October, November area. I had created a video where I explained going on a trip during kind of the Thanksgiving weekend. We had oil consumption at the 3,000 mark where I had to add a quart of oil to get us back home. We were down about half a quart at the start of the trip, and then when it came time to finish the trip, I had to add oil. So in that service, the oil consumption was about 1 quart for 3,000 miles. Fast forward to today, we have gone 5,000 miles, almost 5,000, just about 50 miles shy, and I am down about half a quart. We can see here, this is 5,000 miles almost. The oil doesn't look too terribly bad, dirty. I know people get triggered when I say this, but overall it looks pretty good. We are right now just above the A, but just below the F in the safe line. So roughly about half a quart down in 5,000 miles. Okay, so I just had the camera going, or I thought I had the camera going, but I didn't. And I just cut this apart to do an analysis on what we've captured. So here we are. In my opinion, the captured crud or carbon is not as heavy as the previous oil change. There still is some here, as we can kind of see. A little bit of paper. Got that. So overall, the filter is very clean. This has 5,000 miles on it. We're just shy of 5,000, I think by 40 miles or so. Used half a quart in the 5,000 miles. So overall, heading in the right direction as far as my theory with oil consumption. Time will tell if this is repeatable. This could be because of the really cold weather during this oil change. Maybe the oil is not vaporizing off as fast as during the summer and the fall. So the next service will be if this is repeatable. And if it is repeatable, then I think we can consider this a success as far as the Valvoline Restore and Protect heading in the right direction as far as moving oil consumption issues back up. Just to kind of quickly recap, the last oil change, which was the third, I consumed 1 quart in 3,000 miles, and I ended up having to add a quart to finish the trip off, actually change the oil on it. And then now this service, we went 5,000 miles on half a quart consumed, and I did not have to add any oil. I did grab an oil sample so that we can send that off and have it analyzed and maybe compare it to the Mobil 1 oil sample at 150,000 miles. So overall, heading in the right direction. I know some people were more interested in seeing the filter with higher mileage, but as you can see here, when we first started this, it didn't take much to start capturing stuff, but now we're not capturing quite as much, which I'm attributing to the fact that the engine is fairly clean to begin with.